As we said, standard parts on the front doors, lots of moving parts, general wear and tear on these. The latches and the locks start to become slightly harder to use. They don't pop out as nicely as these ones do. This is a fairly new door. Again, as we've showed you in previous videos, just a can of the spray lubricating, just to spray on the main parts, or keep those working nicely. Those are your general everyday maintenance bits. Other bits to check there, on our latch there, which obviously is controlled by the handle, got a little tiny screw in there. These sometimes work themselves loose. As I say, just with your general Phillips screwdriver, just going to get in there and just make sure that screw's nice and tight. If that does come loose and it works its way too loose, that will actually fall off, then makes it so that the door is insecure. If it comes loose and that starts to whip about enough, you won't then be able to lift the handle, and again you won't be able to secure it. So that's a good one to keep an eye on. As we say, Phillips screwdriver on the screw in the middle, just nice and tight, make sure it's nice and secure. Job done on that one. As I say, other bits on there, there's handles, got your screw fixings again, Phillips screwdriver on both of those. Another one to check on there, where your cylinder, your lock goes through the door, that screw there. Again, that one needs to be nice and tight. If that works its way loose, the lock will become loose, that will be insecure again. There's only general workings of the lock all the way down. You've got lots of little screws just holding them tight to the door. They don't have any mechanical use, but they do actually secure the lock to the door itself. So every now and again, if you was to notice one of those becomes loose, that can be checked. Those are your general workings on it. As long as all the screws are tight, as long as all the latches and the locks are working as they should. Again, a good spray up. Those are really the main workings of your door. You shouldn't go wrong with that.